Hello everyone, this is tutorial number 5. I've been filming this right after 4. I'm only making 4s a little bit shorter so that I can put potions into a separate video. But we are going to be talking about potions here, so since we have this newly expanded area, let's expand it all the way so we have this nice rectangle. You guys know that I like rectangular bases and I don't like things with an edge cut off. So let's go ahead and fix it and make it all nice and rectangular. Let's torch the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why don't we put one in here? And then I guess here as well we can put one. Right here. We can put one here and put one here. And then I think that should be enough torches. Let's see. So we have a torch there already. We don't really have one here. And then we have that. I think this is pretty well lit. Maybe I'll put like one here. And then we don't really need the other two. Or maybe we do. Let's see here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, you know what? I have a better idea. This seems pretty skewed right now. So why don't I do like let's see, so 1, 2, 3. Sorry, no, more like 1, 2, 3. So let's put the torch here, get rid of that one. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty balanced. And then same thing here. Let's just go ahead and move our torches around. And then we can have one here. And then finally this one, we can just move it here. But this one is actually corresponding to that, so I don't think I'll actually change this one. I'll leave that one. And then we can also put this last one here. So pretend it's here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's put it here. Alright, we're done. Or we can actually, it probably looks nicer this way, I think. It doesn't really matter. I'll take a look at how I can make the thing look nicer afterwards. Let's sleep first. Sleepy, sleepy. So we have a space of 3 between all the torches. And a 2 between the horizontal ones. I'm just looking at how the torches are laying out to figure out how I should best address this last pile of torches. I might just get rid of this one. And so one thing is, this one is, so if I do this according to here, this one would be here, and this one would be here. Right, that would make sense. And according to this one, yeah, I think I've set myself up for a trap. I think we have to rework all of these torches, all of them. Because I like the way these torches look, because they're nice and balanced. And so I'm going to do it according to this style on this side, which means 9 torches in this fashion. But this is obviously going to mean these are no longer necessary torches, which are fine. And these guys I'm also going to change up, as well as these. Okay. So with this, I think we don't really need a block in the middle here. After thinking about it for a little bit, I think we can just go ahead and plant netherwort directly on here. Yeah, obviously, like base preparations, this is not really something you need, but I like my bases to look nice and balanced, and so I have some rules of building that I usually follow myself. Again, these are not hard requirements for you, but they are nice requirements. This torch in the middle is going to be an issue for building later, so let's get rid of it. This entire part here looks okay. Those 5 torches in particular look fine. They're spaced accordingly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here. We can technically do the same here. Let's say 1, 2, 3, but then this one's obviously not placeable 1, 2, 3. So let's just skip that one. 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here. And so this is pretty good, but we only have 7 of them instead of 8. So I guess just leave it. And in compensation, this part is now darker. Let's add some torches to this layer right here. I'm aligning with the torches on the other side, this side. So we're looking 1, 2 step, 1, 2, 3 step, 1, 2, 3 step. All right, got it. So we're doing 1, 2 step, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can't put it there. That's fine. That's fine. No worries. So this looks okay. I guess this one is a bit excessive, but otherwise these look pretty good. So just leave the torch scheme like this. I think this will do for the time being. Yeah. Okay, so some of our sugarcane are now harvestable, so we just take them according to the top. I think I missed one. And we can plant them in the spaces we have set out originally for them. Still missing 2, 3, whatever. What else? What else can we do right now? So this one's supposed to be mostly to demonstrate the principles of brewing. So I think I'm gonna get started with that right now. Okay, where was I? So I first need to have glass bottles, which I don't have right now. So that's pretty sad. So let's go get some glass. So every potion needs to be stored in a glass bottle for you to drink it or splash it. Glass bottles are made from glass. Glass is melted from sand. So we need some sand. We have our nice little diamond shovel. So let's just use this and dig up some sand. So let's find a really sandy beach. Sure, this one is pretty good. You can just dig some of the sand. Try, like, when you do this kind of stuff, try not to make a mess everywhere. So like, don't let the water flow in, because that's an unnecessary mess you're gonna have to deal with later. So just do what you can without destroying the terrain, pretty much. 22, 23. I think I can get some more from this region here. This one can go. That one can go. That one can go. 26, 27. Alright. That should be good. 27. Let's see how we can split this. Okay. Alright, this looks pretty good. So let's work with 27 bottles for the time being. So how many furnaces do we have right now? We have 3. So this is pretty good. We should have 4, so I'm going to put an extra temporary one. So how much coal do we have? Okay, much more than we need. So smelt the sand and it will turn into glass. Meanwhile, while we wait for that to happen, we can kind of sort out some stuff. So do we have redstone? No. Do we have glowstone? No. That's pretty sad. Netherware do we have gunpowder? No. Do we have blaze? Yes. Do we have spider eye material? No. Alright, so I'm just going through a list of possible materials we're going to need. So let's take these chests and we are going to set them up over here. Let's see. 1, 2, say 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be potion materials, and I'm going to put extra awkward potions here and finished potions here. Or maybe, you know, maybe a better way to do this, since we have, if I'm going to make 2 more chests, we're going to separate out the positive and negative potions. So this is positive potions, that's negative potions. And then here we have potion materials, and sorry, let's see potion materials here. Awkward potions here, positive and negative, like that. That's pretty good. So we have the schematic figured out. Now we just need the actual brewing stand. So we have our glass ready. That's pretty nice. Let's create glass bottles. So here I'm showing you the recipe. Let's make 2 blaze powders, and we have a brewing stand. Where's our cobblestone? Okay, so the recipe for a brewing stand looks like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to put the brewing stand here. We need to feed it blaze powder to be fueled. And then the rest we can just put here for the time being. So we have nether wart, we have blaze powder. So nether wart, blaze powder, what else do we have? Not much, so I guess we'll leave it for the time being. We're going to pick it up in tutorial 6 to talk about more details of brewing. So this is just the basics. Right now we just have glass bottles. So to finish off this tutorial, we are going to fill these glass bottles with water. Why am I even going down? We have water right here. Oops, I went too much. So these are not actually awkward, these are just water bottles. But I think the point can get across, so let's go get the one I accidentally dropped. And then we can get a few more. Alright. That should be lots of glass bottles for us. And we're gonna just slowly brew them all into awkward potions. I guess I'll demonstrate one before I end this one off. So we're taking this nether wart, we're putting it up here. We're taking the glass bottles and we're putting them down here, and it's just gonna brew. And I guess we will just watch what happens. And we don't really need this extra furnace anymore, let's mine it. And they got brewed into awkward potion, so this is so good. So these guys really, we should be taking from the start and changing them to awkward potions. Now they look the same, but they actually behave quite differently. Let's have a good sleep, and next tutorial, tutorial 6, will pick it up on the details of brewing. See you then.